just loud noise from the past means nothing now. It wasn't her fault, but only mine, as bad as that. No coming back from blow below, belt and plummet to celt. But it was not to be, but luck split up our dreams, a sleeping cycle. Wanted too much from her, I did not give back a lot back. Now I can see where I went wrong. It wasn't her that lost, ruined everything, completely spoiled, destroy, wrecked myself, irreparable damage, my mistake. 'Cause all that's so catastrophic to watch. For all female out there, you never know how this will go on for, oh no, no, no. If it's alright, show me a sing, show me thumb up, or something like that, okay now.
Looking for peace and tranquility, calm manor, maintaining law and order, treaty, truce, thank to my host. Should I look for more, or already exit from a visual?
Mine, only mine, silent mine, still and private. Mine, beautiful mine, attractive mine, pretty. Light slow, music slow and quiet, and the smell of night that's coming. Cuddle closer to the colder side of wind is calming, almost warming, pleasing. Aesthetically then silence begin to make sense. Remembering old times, two of us I dream up just last night. No doubt about, after all I was unconscious, knockout for the night. So was I inaccessible for a while, inability to maintain self-awareness from them painful, profound emotion. Yours first following mine. Desire so absent and unattainable is longing for someone like you. All of your lives not matter to you was the same for me in my journey. To find you, whole thing turned to waste ground, uncultivated, serving no point, no purpose, barren and vacant and neglected, feeling uninhabited, isolated, alone, deserted for spell. But who else know how the lonely people go? And what do they do when they go home to empty walls, no friends or company? You felt being angry 'cause I slammed the door. A natural intent in me, so unhealthy emotions, unfair treatment with frustrations, my obstacles, injustice. Now more tears in your eyes, coming down like rivers of harm, breaking me apart. Thinking about it is all over by stealth, surreptitious movement to action. Lucky morning turns to day's end. The pain carry on, nothing is changing any need. And burn gender without disclosing their transgender history. A worry, the seawater tastes salty, just like you, babe. Lost your game, being upset, angry and bitter, and particularly annoyed, easily irritated, a little salty, too much. So you're saying I had mistreat you badly? Maybe I hadn't done it any. So stop saying likely was nothing, probable, suitable, appropriate. So you say I never love anybody in this world like I should have done. So for, should, would, could have the small things I'm guilty of. I know I feel sorry. Looking back, I never took my time to stop to think it all about. No, I did not worry about anything to come up in front of me after all them years gone by. But I never taken my eyes off my past. You, as always, stay close to my heart and in my mind, as well as the memories from century before, all gone.
I build myself on fundamental principle, essential, my whole structure collapses without me. Inside it is my basic underlying cardinal vital and basic primary. Every scar on me by far is healed and forgotten, rotten, oppressive, decaying, foul, putrid, repulsive, organic garbage waste. All my space is burdensome, don't need your hand to get up off the floor when I trip up. Sometimes I found another ways to get around, forest of mud, throwing about this place I'm staying. It's now brand new me, I come back with the smile. playful jab among peers, underlying discipline.